Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the workout pull length units to yards or meters on the Apple Watch 7 units of measurement. So first, let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the side button here or the crown button. And then we're going to press on it again to go back to the home screen and then tap on settings. In settings, you want to go all the way down to the bottom, and then we're going to tap on workout. Next, go down and tap on units of measurement and go down, and we're going to tap on yards or meters in the pull length units. So select yards or meters, and then you can press on the side button to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.